Hello guys, how are you? Today I got my S24 Ultra. I bought this from Sharaf DJ in Dubai, and let's open it. Let's see how it looks like inside. And the things we got from Sharaf DJ is headphone, power bank, adapter, and let's open this. And this is the power bank. This is the power bank and its cable for charging. This is the speaker Pro 3. Let's open it. Here comes its cable for charging. And the speaker. It looks like this, having steel antenna, and it is powered by Bluetooth, so you can connect it with the Bluetooth. And 20-volt quick charger with cable. Cables come with C to C power cable. And adapter with USB port and port C. And with headset. And with the bag, laptop bag, and let's open it. This is the laptop bag. and with this 45 volt PD power adapter. This is the cable. And 45 volt adapter. Hope you enjoy the video. Please like and share and comment us to use this phone in front of you.